In this Teesom quick reference video, we're going to talk to you about the option on the job board that signifies how many jobs are left remaining to do and how you can adjust this. So this very first job here, everything's done. It's now finishing up in production, and we want to be able to notify the customer in their portal or just via email that all the jobs are done. And how we can do that is we're going to go actually into the order, and there's a little gear icon that appears next to job 1. If we click on that, we are now letting the customer know that that job 1 is done. And since that was the only job in the order, it now wants to have us send off the email to the customer letting them know that the order is complete and that the final payment is due. So if we do not want to send that at this time, we can cancel out of it, or we can click on the preview and send. Go ahead and type in any additional information that you want to, and then just go ahead and hit the send button. So now that we've done that, we want to now come over here and say, hey, it's done now, and the final payment is due, or any applicable stage that you want to move that to. So now that the job is completed. And once we've done that, let's head back to the job board. We can see that the job no longer appears here on the job board because we completed it. If we would have left it on there, it would say all jobs done. And now if we jump over to the customer portal, they can now see that that job appears in their completed tab, and then they can see that it's done and that the final payment is due. So I hope you make use of that feature now that's on the job board here. Again, you will have to go into the order and just click on the little icon there to let Teesom know that that job is now complete. Any questions? Just let us know. Please click the like and subscribe button and push that alert button so that you're always up to date with all the videos that we offer on our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching.